Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be just showing you a really quick easy slay with Beauty Forever Hair. I love this company, so they did send over this gorgeous bob wig, and I will put all the details in the description and as I show you guys what I show you. But I just wanted to hop on to tell you guys I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check this wig out. It is so nice. Like, it is perfect for summer. It's low maintenance. This is the easiest wig that I've had. So if you guys are interested, check out the link in the description. Love you guys and enjoy the video. So you guys, this wig from Beauty Forever, it is a bob wig. It is 12 inches and it does have the lace, of course, and then it has 3 combs and adjustable straps. You can adjust to your head size. So I'm gonna talk really quick. First things first, I'm going in and just to pluck that hairline a little bit more because the hairline isn't really giving me hairline vibes. It's just giving me it's too thick right now. But firstly, I'm going to be putting some of my edge wax stick or whatever you want to call it on there, and I'll be flattening it out with the hot comb. I do this with all my wigs. It's kind of routine, and a lot of people ask me how I get my wigs to be the way they are, and it's because I do this method. Now if you do not have this edge stick, you can really use anything. Honestly, you can use mousse, or you can use edge control of your own. It definitely just gives the wig a little bit more of a flatter lay, if that makes sense. So then I'm going to be moving on to plucking, and I didn't have to pluck a lot, but I do recommend this just really for any closure wig. Always pluck your closures and they will look so much better. So that looks so much better, as you guys can see. It's giving me scalp. It's giving me, real hairline vibes. And obviously I'm going to tint it with some makeup so it can match, my face and scalp and all that good stuff. So this is initially when I got the wig. I styled it on the head and then I did put it on. And I'm just showing you guys how much I cut. I did this on both sides, and I didn't really have a straight cut, but it was like I wanted to make the ends blunt. I thought that was really cute, so that's what I did, and it turned out really nice. And what's not on camera is me tinting the part with my makeup, a tiny brush, put it up against, the part, and then boom, voila, you are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely check out Beauty Forever Hair in the description. This is the perfect bob for summer. You guys will not be mad. And like always, I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video.